The majority of the money that I make doing these side hustle apps are from Sam's Club. Not only are there the most gigs there, but there's the most amount of apps that have gigs at Sam's Club. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all my tips so you can maximize your earnings at this one amazing store. So with Field Agent, most of the gigs are only going to pay $3. So it's very important to find stores where there's multiple gigs at one stores. And in my experience where I live, Sam's Club is the store where there will consistently be 5 to 10 gigs at one store. The good thing about Sam's Club is, at least in my area, they don't check the membership, so anyone could walk in. You don't even have to be a Sam's Club member to start making money with these side hustle apps. The first tip to know when you're doing multiple gigs at Sam's Club is get to know the store and plan it right. So if you have a gig in the electronics section, a gig with the beverages, and then a gig in the pharmacy, you're going to walk into the store. Electronics are going to be right where you walk in. You'll do that one first, and then you'll go to the back corner and do the beverages, and then on your way out, you're going to hit the pharmacy. This way, you're not walking back and forth. This could turn a 5 to 10 minute gig run into like a half a day of work if you don't do it right. Next is open multiple apps when you're there. Don't just use Field Agent, although you'll get the most gigs there. Always check Mobi, because a lot of times there'll be really easy gigs at Sam's Club on Mobi. Also check Observa. Observa will have gigs at Sam's Club. Sometimes it's not going to be a lot, maybe a couple times a month, but it's worth checking. Another thing to do is before you leave Sam's Club, check your app again, refresh Field Agent, and make sure that you're not going to go all the way back to your car, refresh the app, and then have to walk back in. This happened to me so many times. I'll be done doing a couple gigs at Sam's Club, get in my car, start driving the next gig, refresh the screen, and then there was another gig at Sam's Club. I have to turn around, park, and do all of that. Always double check before you leave. And know which gigs are actually going to be worth it and which aren't. So some gigs are actually going to be a lot easier than other places at Sam's Club. For example, the pest control is only going to be 1 or 2 pallets. That same $3 gig at Home Depot will take a lot longer because they have a whole big section of pet food. But then also stuff like disposable paper towel and disposable tableware, that is going to be a huge section at Sam's Club, but the same thing at like Dollar General is going to not be that hard at all because they only have a couple of shelves. So once you do a few, you'll know them. I still think the ones that take longer are worth doing it, especially if you have multiple gigs at the same store. And then the next tip is, if you're doing any of these gigs at Sam's Club and you get into any type of trouble, if you don't know what you're doing and you're stuck on a question, comment on this video and I will try to get back to you in real time so you can get done with the gig, make the money, and move on to the next one, because I know what it's like to be stuck on these gigs. These gigs used to take me hours. Now they only take me a couple of minutes, and you will get there too with some practice. So click the links down below to sign up for these amazing side hustle apps.